A very good morning to my dearest students. My dear students, we have been talking about just prose and poetry. Today we will move towards the 3.3, that is emails. Email writing. Before going to that, there are some icebreakers has been given to you. The first one, that is, there are different kinds of communication. Write some of them to complete the given boxes. Discuss the importance of each one of them with your partner. See, when we were studying about the prose and poetry, they were just different times. But the section 3, that is writing skills, it is according to the new life or new era. In the 10th standard, you might have studied about letter writing, application for the post of this or that, or formal letters you have written, informal letters you have written. But nowadays, letters have been gone out. We are living in a digital era or digital life. Even our classes are being conducted through the mobile phones, and this is the only reason in today's world, or we can call in the corporate world, the no need to writing or no need to sending letters. Instead of letters, we have to send emails, that is electronic mails. It is also one kind of a communicative method. So in this 3.3, we are going to know about, or we are going to learn about how to write emails, what is email, even what is the purpose of that email, and what is the word limit of emails. We are going to discuss all those about. And before going to that, first of all, let me communicate. Let me speak about a communication. Now, what is communication? Communication. Sampreshan. We can call it as a sampreshan. Okay, in Marathi. It is literally just a translation of the word communication. Communication म्हणजे काय? We are just expressing our feelings, thoughts, आपल्या मनातील भावना आपण इतरांच्या समोर मांडणं. That is called a communication. Right now I am communicating with you. Right now I am speaking with you. I am trying to deal with the topic, the communication. मी बोलतोय, तुमच्याशी बोलतोय. माझ्या मनात जे काही आहे ते मी तुमच्याशी बोलतोय. आपण आपल्या मित्रांशी बोलतो, घरच्यांशी बोलतो, मैत्रिणींशी बोलतो, पाहुण्यांशी बोलतो, शिक्षकांशी बोलतो. With the n number of persons, we are just trying to speak and speak and speak. That speaking itself is called a communication. आता मग मला सांगा बाळांनो, for communicating, there may be at least 2 persons. 2 व्यक्तींची गरज आहे, and with the help of those 2 persons, we can communicate. Communication can be done. The process of communication can be successful. But, or we can call it as communication is a two-way process. We are not going to deal with in detail. My point is that communication means to express our own feelings, our ideas, that matters. Now, there are 4 types of communication. The first one, that is verbal communication, non-verbal communication, written communication, and the visual communication. The verbal communication means right now I am speaking with you, that is verbal. Non-verbal, I am just using some gestures. Suppose, for example, this indicates, that is thumbs up or or we are just saying a best of luck. मग ह्यासारखे जे काही गेस्चर्स आहेत, वी हॅव टू यूज दोज गेस्चर्स. Suppose this is our hand, and with the help of the hand we can express so many things. For just indicating this finger, we can express so many things in this way. This is called a non-verbal communication. मग written communication यामध्ये काय येते बघा, that is the email. Our email will fall under the written communication. मध्ये लेटर्स आहेत, फॉर्मल लेटर्स असेल, इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स असतील, यासारखे जे लेटर्स आहेत, all these letters will fall under a written communication. And the last one, that is visual communication. In the visual communication you have to show some photographs. काही फोटो असेल, काही चित्र असतील, चित्रांच्या माध्यमातून आपण काय करू शकतो, आपण बोलू शकतो. आपल्या मनातील भावना तिथं आपण समोरच्या व्यक्तीपर्यंत आपल्याला पोहोचवता येतील. दॅट इज अ व्हिज्युअल कम्युनिकेशन. सो इन दिस वे वी हॅव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द कम्युनिकेशन. देर आर 4 टाइप्स. First, visual, verbal, non-verbal and written communication. My dear students, due to the time, I have not gone in detail about the communication. When the college will reopen, we will once again deal with communication in detail. And as a student of English 11th standard, communication matters. English communication has to be there, because after completing your 12th, you are going to face a new world or a corporate world. In that corporate world, without English, you will not be able to survive, and that's why English communication matters over there. English communication is must. Okay, once we will encounter, at the time we will deal with the communication. So today let's just discuss about emails. What is an email? Electronic mail. Its full form is electronic mail. Electronic mail, also known as email or email, is one of the most commonly used services on the internet. आता इंटरनेट हे आपल्यासाठी नवीन नाही आहे. Within a fraction of second we can send email, we can communicate to any person around the world. ह्या जगातल्या कोणत्याही कोपऱ्यातील कोणत्याही व्यक्तीशी आपण एका सेकंदामध्ये काय करू शकतो, बोलू शकतो. आपल्याला बोलता येतं ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ जस्ट इंटरनेट. अंतर्जाल, या इंटरनेटमुळे आपल्याला बोलता येतं. अलाउइंग पीपल टू सेंड मेसेजेस टू वन or more recipients. Now there is no such difference between letters and emails. Only difference is that sending a letter by post is totally a time consuming. काय ते वेळ खाऊ आहे. त्याला जवळजवळ जर आज तुम्ही आज लेटर पोस्ट केला तर लेटर कधी पोहोचणार आहे तुम्हाला? द लेटर विल बी डिलिवर्ड आफ्टर 2 days. 2 दिवसांनी तुम्हाला तुमचं लेटर तुम्ही ज्या व्यक्तीला पाठवलेलं आहे त्या व्यक्तीला इथं पोहोचलं जाऊ शकतं. बट if you are sending an email, that email will be delivered in just a fraction of second. एका सेकंदामध्ये किंवा 2 सेकंदामध्ये तुमचं ईमेल तिथं पोहोचू शकतो. हा एकच इथं फरक आपल्याला पाहायला मिळेल. जे आपण लेटरमध्ये लिहिणार आहे तोच फॉर्मॅट आपण म्हणू किंवा तेच शब्द आपल्याला काय करायचे ईमेलमध्ये सुद्धा इथं लिहिणं अपेक्षित आहे. यू कॅन सेंड वन मेसेज for one or many recipients. आता इथे recipients गरज आहे. Email was invented by Ray Tomlinson in 1972. किती 1972 मध्ये काय झाले, ईमेलचा इथं ईमेलला इथं सुरुवात झालेली आहे. इट वॉज इन्व्हेंटेड बाय रे टॉमलिन्सन. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाय यूज ईमेल? दॅट इज द ऑपरेटिंग प्रिन्सिपल behind email is relatively simple, which has quickly made it is most popular service used on the internet. As with traditional postal services, for your message to reach your recipient, all you need to know is their address. आणि मग याला तर काय गरज आहे? ईमेलसाठी गरज आहे ती म्हणजे आपली ॲड्रेस. एक व्हर्च्युअल ॲड्रेस आहे असतो आपला. फॉर एक्झाम्पल mmk4490@gmail.com. This is our virtual address. So if you have your own virtual address, you can send email on this email ID. इथं आपल्याला पाठवता येतो. पण one thing is that sending an email, you should have a knowledge of computer and how to handle computer or how to handle internet. That is necessary for that. So my dear students, today we'll stop over here. Tomorrow we'll discuss once again how to write email and what is needed for writing an email. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.